Hey yo, what's going on, guys? It's Isaiah back, and today we're gonna be doing some very important stuff. So let's get into it. If you guys want to add me on Snapchat, my Snap code will be right there in the top middle of the screen. And let's get on with the video. And there's my Instagram in the top left corner if you want to go follow that. And let me go to my YouTube channel. YouTube. Wait, wrong thing. Go to my channel. If you want to go subscribe, it's MobX Games Space 2018. I've made about 5 videos. I only have 2 subscribers and 10 views. Playlists, there is all my playlists if you guys want to listen to some music and stuff. If you haven't seen the movie Once I Was a Beehive, you have no life, like, at all. This is probably my longest video ever. Wait, I can edit this? I can actually edit this. Oh, my mom don't mind her. There we go. Okay. Asphalt 8, and I don't know what else was in here. Asphalt 8 slash Asphalt 8 gameplay. More Asphalt 8 gameplay. And arrow.io. Okay. And let's see, what else should I do? No. BRB. I'm gonna go add Leo. His Snapchat will be like in the middle of the screen, like at the top, kind of middle, and all of that stuff. So, oh yeah, CJ's so cool with adding me back on Snapchat. Look. What's up, dude? See, he added me back. Let me ask her why she doesn't talk to me anymore. Why don't you talk to me anymore? I don't know if I can plug her Snapchat because she just been making me real mad lately. Who should I talk to? I really have no one to talk to. BRB.
Please leave your message for 77.
Get that phone number out. See, what else should I do? Maybe I should try calling Deshuan. I just call him that. Bless me. All the phone numbers on this video, so.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that way?
Yeah, I know that way.
Where is that way?
I don't know.
Girl.
This whole time, I'm making a YouTube video right now, and I leaked yours and Santiago's number, but I'm gonna edit it out.
Why would you do that?
I'm gonna edit it out.
I'll kill you if you...
I don't even get that many views, so.
I don't care. Don't leak mine, leak Santiago's.
I only have 10 views and 2 subscribers. I got 5 videos. The most views I've ever gotten on a video was 5.
What?
The most views I've ever gotten on one of my videos is probably 5 views.
Why'd you hang up last night?
Cause my mom was coming.
So? You can't be on the phone?
I mean, I can. I just don't want her to know that I'm talking or anything.
You gonna feel weird? Your mom's right there and you're on the phone?
I don't know what you're saying, cause I don't have. Hold on, wait, give me 1 second. Okay, now say what you were saying.
Did you feel weird because your mom was coming, so you would feel weird being on the phone? Because your mom was coming?
Yeah, I was scared that she was gonna take my phone.
Why would she take it?
Cause I'm not even supposed to have it.
Because what?
I'm not even supposed to have it.
Wait, are you in trouble?
I just choked on a booger. One time I actually swallowed a booger. Or did I cough it up? Yeah, one time I coughed up a booger. For real, I'm making a YouTube video. It's at 8 minutes and it's almost at 8.5 minutes. Hold on. Okay, it's at 8.5 minutes now. Sorry, I'll leave you yours and Santi's phone number, but I know how to edit it out, so, hold on. Let me actually, like, make my clickbait right now, so, like, I can say that I actually play some games, because I'm playing the Pixel game on. Okay. So I'm gonna make my clickbait as soon as I'm done filling in these 1s and 2s, so I can say that I actually played the game. So it'll actually be like, will this be clickbait if I don't finish this? I'm just gonna clickbait this and say that I played the game when I only filled in like 2 of the numbers. Okay guys, if you like this, like and subscribe, and if you like this video, share with your friends. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. Do you want me to make it an actual vlog or no? So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.